In this video, I will be changing a inlet water valve on a Kenmore Elite front load wash machine. All you'll need is a Phillips head and a pair of pliers to get the clamps off. Simple fix, only take about 15 minutes or less. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing to my channel. So once you get the top off the machine, you want to go ahead and shut the water off to the machine. This was just going to be the cold side. So get the water turned off. Remember to always unplug your machine, get your pliers, and take the water line off. The next step is to get your Phillips head and remove the two Phillips head screws off the back of the valve so you can get it free. Now these harnesses were pretty simple, wasn't a bunch of them. Anytime I go to pull harnesses off, I like to stick it one by one back on the old one. In this case, they was pretty close to each other, pretty simple to identify. So I get this prepared for the new one to be put on. I do not pull the hoses off. I just loosen up the clamps off of them and back it up. That way I do not get the hoses confused. It's always a good note to take a picture, and anytime you're removing anything like this, I've done this several times, so there was no need for me to take a picture. But I back the clamps off and get the new water valve set in place, plug it in, and I begin to put the water lines on there one by one.
This is actually an LG part. See the box?
They're compatible.
Yeah, well, that's just who I heard that. That's how it always is.
Yeah, like I say, come in for 2 hours and get off my island.
Right? Let me go back to running.
With that movie, A Few Good Men?
Yeah. Yep.
He was in Cuba, Kenmore, he was somewhere. The Marine, remember, with the Marine colonel, the guy that got killed, and he had to go to court, and the young Navy guy, Tom Cruise, the lawyer.
Yeah.
I'm going back to my fucking base.
That's a good movie, too.
Yeah.
I ain't seen that in a minute.
And that's how I feel, because I see my boss once a year. Think about that. Once a year, I see my boss.
Right.
My boss's boss coming.
Yeah,
So, yeah. So this once a year, 2-hour dog and pony show, and get the freak off my house.
Right. Go back to running things.
So, my people don't even want to see him. So.
Yeah. That's how it is. Man, I could have retired the other day on the stock market, but I missed it, man. It was daggone, one went from $5 to $25, like, in a matter of 2 hours.
In what? See, I don't play around with individual stocks. I put everything in the ass. I'm a big...
So make sure that you have your harnesses plugged in on through the top. Now I'm going to put the clamps up next to the valve there, slide them up. And we're going to check for leaks. We're going to turn the machine on, make sure we ain't got no leaks, because anytime you pull water lines off, you want to double check that. Hook your water line back up, make sure you got it good and secure and tight, no leaks around it, and we're gonna fire the machine up. The machine already had water in the tub. This is why it only ran and shut off for just a few seconds. But that was normal. But we had no leaks, good to go. Again, this job only took a few minutes. Made pretty good money on this. The water line had the water valve had a crack in it. So that's why we changed this particular valve. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you're enjoying the information that I'm putting out there. If you felt like you've learned something today and would like to contribute to my channel, I put a PayPal button at the top right hand corner of my page. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.